On October 19, 2017, a telescope in Hawaii detected something that would forever change our understanding of the cosmos. It was an object coming from outside the solar system, something never seen before. The astronomers named the visitor Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning messenger from afar. They quickly realized that he was not just another wandering piece of rock. His features were so strange that they challenged everything we know about comets and asteroids. Oumuamua had an unusual shape, extremely elongated, spinning unpredictably, like a bottle being thrown into space. It didn't seem to display a tail or coma, like comets do when approaching the sun. Your brightness varied drastically, suggesting it had an elongated or flattened shape, perhaps similar to a cosmic pancake. But what really intrigued scientists was how Oumuamua accelerated as it left the solar system. He gained speed without any evidence of gas release, which is essential to explain accelerations in comets. This raised the bold hypothesis: could Oumuamua be alien technology? Throughout this documentary, we will explore every detail of this cosmic enigma. Let's analyze your discovery, its physical characteristics, its impossible behaviors, and the most daring scientific theories. And in the end, you decide whether Oumuamua is just a strange rock or something much more extraordinary. It all started when Pan-STARRS, one of the most advanced sky-tracking telescopes, detected a point moving unusually. It wasn't the typical trajectory of objects bound by the sun's gravity. For the first time, we realized that we were observing a real interstellar visitor. Scientists estimated that he has been traveling for hundreds of millions of years through the emptiness between the stars, a messenger from another planetary system, bringing with him the story of unknown worlds. The shape of Oumuamua was the first big mystery. He seemed to spin irregularly, as if he had been impacted in the past. Your variation in brightness suggested that it could be up to 10 times longer than it is wide. Other analyses indicated that it could be flattened like a splinter. No known rock in the solar system behaves or looks like this, and its surface appeared extremely reflective, perhaps polished by millions of years of space erosion. Then came the most impossible phenomenon: its acceleration. As it moved away from the sun, Oumuamua accelerated like a comet but left no trail. There was no gas escaping, there was no ice sublimating. This left the astronomers puzzled. One hypothesis suggested that its acceleration could be caused by the pressure of sunlight. For this to be possible, Oumuamua would have to be very thin, almost like an interstellar sail. That's when the boldest theory emerged. Some researchers suggested that Oumuamua could be artificial technology, an alien solar sail, perhaps abandoned, perhaps damaged, perhaps intentionally sent. An artifact capable of navigating by starlight, crossing solar systems as silent messengers. Although controversial, the hypothesis highlighted points without explanation. The acceleration without gas, the impossible shape, the reflectivity, the precise trajectory. More conservative scientists propose natural theories. One of them says that Oumuamua could be a fragment of solid nitrogen, coming from the crust of a distant planet. Another hypothesis describes it as an iceberg of hydrogen. These theories would explain the brightness and acceleration, but they require extremely rare conditions. No natural explanation solves all the data at once. Oumuamua may have been ejected from a young planetary system. It may have orbited a star similar to the sun. And perhaps I have traveled among the stars for hundreds of millions of years, until by chance it passed near our stellar neighborhood. With the new Rubin Observatory telescope, thousands of interstellar objects may be detected in the coming years. And there are proposals for a space mission capable of pursuing such visitors. A fast spaceship could reach objects like Oumuamua and study them up close. Seeing an artificial structure, if it exists, would change the course of humanity's history. Oumuamua was an unexpected gift from the cosmos, a mysterious visitor that left more questions than answers. He continues his journey, disappearing into the depths of the Milky Way. Maybe we'll never know your true origin, but your passage showed that the universe is much stranger, vast, and fascinating than we imagined. Whether Oumuamua is just an exotic rock or an alien artifact, it's up to you to decide. If this video impacted you, share it with someone who also loves the mysteries of the universe, and subscribe to the channel so we can continue our journey into the unknown.